Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make gin cocktails at home using an easy method. First, let's get organized. You will need a few key tools like a jigger for measuring, a shaker for mixing, and a strainer. Next, ensure you have basic ingredients on hand, including your favorite gin, fresh citrus, and simple syrup. Finally, we will cover fundamental techniques for combining and chilling your drinks to perfection. Let's start with a timeless classic, the gin and tonic. For the best experience, always choose a high-quality gin and pair it with a premium tonic water. The perfect balance is typically 1 part gin to 2 or 3 parts tonic, depending on your preference. Finish your drink with a fresh lime wedge or a fragrant citrus peel to enhance the aromas and flavors. It is simple, refreshing, and always a crowd pleaser. Now let's craft a delightful gin sour. In your shaker, combine 2 ounces of your preferred gin with 1 ounce of freshly squeezed lemon juice. To balance the tartness, add 3/4 of an ounce of simple syrup. Fill your shaker with ice and shake vigorously for about 15 seconds. This ensures your cocktail is perfectly chilled and well mixed, creating a smooth and vibrant drink. To truly elevate your homemade gin cocktails, remember a few key tips. Always prioritize fresh citrus juice. It makes a significant difference in flavor. Don't be afraid to experiment with various gins and tonic waters to discover new favorite combinations. Lastly, chilling your glassware beforehand ensures your drink stays colder for longer, providing a more refreshing and enjoyable experience from the first sip to the last.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.